In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the project name in CapCut. Renaming your project is a small step that makes a big difference when you're managing multiple edits, collaborating with others, or simply keeping your workspace tidy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to choose a clear, memorable name so you can find your work fast. Start by opening CapCut. This can be the desktop app or the web version. Either way, once you're in, you'll land on your workspace. Head to your Projects or Recent section, where all of your existing projects are listed. Take a moment to locate the project you want to rename. If you have a lot of files, you might find it helpful to glance at thumbnails, durations, or timestamps to make sure you've got the correct one. Next, look for the three-dot icon, sometimes called the Ellipsis menu, associated with that project. On a grid view, it's usually in the top right corner of the project thumbnail. In a list view, you'll typically find it at the end of the project's row. Click the three dots to open the Quick Actions menu for that project. From the menu that appears, choose Rename. This opens a small dialog where you can edit the project's title. You'll see the current name highlighted or ready to be replaced. Now enter your new name. Keep it short, descriptive, and consistent with whatever naming convention you use. For example, you might include the topic, platform, and a version or date, like Product Demo Reel V2 or Travel Vlog 1080p 2501. Clear names help you avoid confusion later, especially if you duplicate projects or create alternate edits. As a tip, avoid using characters that some systems don't like, such as slashes or emojis, to ensure smooth saving and exporting across devices. Once you're happy with the name, click OK to apply the change. CapCut will immediately update the title, and you should see the new name reflected in your project list. If your project is already open in the editor, you'll also notice the updated name in the header, making it easier to confirm you're working on the right file. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut, go to your projects, access the three-dot menu, choose Rename, type your new title, and confirm with OK. A clear naming system keeps your workflow organized, speeds up handoffs, and makes it much easier to stay on top of revisions. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!